Welcome to the Central Denmark region, a region that, just like the rest of Denmark, is exposed to climate change and will be affected by flooding from all sources of the water cycle in the future. To adapt to these future climatic changes, the Central Denmark region has started the Climate Change Adaptation project, Coast to Coast Climate Challenge. To give you an impression of the scale and diversity of this project and what is being conducted, we will now take you on a tour and visit 3 of the 24 sub-projects. We start our tour in the city of Randers. Here the river Gudenåen meets Randers Fjord in the very centre of the city. Randers is especially vulnerable to storm surges, as large parts of the city centre are lying very low and close to the water. Here you see some footage from when the city was hit by flooding. To tackle this challenge, a climate change adaptation project has been developed, called the Climate Ribbon. The Climate Ribbon will be developed over the next decades as a 6-kilometre long corridor running from east to west along the waterfront. Overall, the goal of the project is to reduce the risk of flooding and damages, while at the same time improving the attractiveness of the city through holistic and multifunctional solutions. Here in the park called Justesens Lawn, the first part of the project will be established, focusing on storm surge protection, such as green dikes integrated into the natural landscape. This will also shield the green area from traffic noise from the busy road close by, to make it more attractive for residents to use for recreational activities. Another part of the project will focus on relieving traffic pressure in the city centre by constructing a new traffic lane running outside the centre. If you look to your left, you can see the place where this new traffic lane will cross Randers Fjord on a new bridge. As a combined bridge lock solution, the climate bridge will make it possible to close off the city centre during a storm surge, thereby protecting the inner harbour basin and nearby buildings from flooding. The next stop on our journey is the city of Hedensted, where we will visit one of the first climate roads in the world. But what exactly is a climate road, and how can it help us tackle climate change? Thijs Rashu from VIA University College will now tell us more.
We have paved the climate road with permeable asphalt, thereby allowing all rainwater to infiltrate and be stored inside the roadbed, thereby making it a very effective climate adaptation solution. Inside the roadbed, we have installed a geothermal system that are able to extract heat energy from the soil as well as the rainwater, and adding that to the nearby kindergarten up here. And we are able to fully supply the kindergarten with energy from the climate road, thereby making the climate road a very effective climate adaptation as well as a climate mitigation solution.
For the final stop on our tour, we reach the town of Lemvig, which is located in the northwestern part of Denmark and functions as a seaport at the inlet of Limfjorden. Here you will find one of Denmark's international climate centres, the Climaticorium. The mission of the Climaticorium is to develop and disseminate new solutions to challenges within the areas of coastal climate challenges, green energy, circular economy, water and environment, through collaboration across industry, authorities, knowledge institutions and citizens. Let's head inside to meet project manager Sara Lund.
Climaticorium is a non-for-profit organisation working on strengthening the collaboration within the climate field. Engaging with the public is a central part of Climaticorium, as the need to feel included. And the solutions must fit into the society, which is why we must engage with the society when developing new ideas. Each year we have our annual climate conference, which is a hybrid conference and also open to everyone, physically as well as virtually, where you can grow your knowledge within the field and learn more about many exciting projects.
You have now visited 3 of the Coast to Coast Climate Challenge sub-projects. These projects are great examples of how multi-stakeholder collaborations have brought Denmark to the forefront of research, technological development, know-how and best practice solutions in adapting to the current and future climate changes. Maybe you should visit Denmark someday to explore these solutions firsthand. We would love to welcome you, but for now, I'll leave you here to enjoy the view.